I'm gonna start this mini blog and kind of just show you what happens after our lives. Haley did a live yesterday, so she just left me with this mess. My job is just to come in here and put all the ribbon up the next day. This is number 93, so I go ahead and take it back here, which is right there next to the other evil eye. Look at that. Oh, what's this one doing there? Oh no. Okay, so this one's some extra, so we'll put it up there. But yeah, those are all the evil eyes. As you can see, we need some more lighting in here. We have 2 umbrellas, but I think one of them is messed up and the other one does work. We need to put it together because this ring light that we just bought broke. So that was not cool. So we're gonna get another one. I think it broke from back here or something. Oops, sorry, like right there. But yeah, so we gotta get another one for Haley because she needs another one. So yeah, so my job is just to put up all the ribbon. This one is number 3. And I just go back here and I do that over and over until they're all put up. And then I think I'm gonna take all those up there down again and reorganize them because she came in here and I don't know what she was doing, but they're not where they're supposed to be. But we have to look how much work I have to do today. I have to like take all those boxes out and reorganize them because when she comes in here, she package orders and she takes boxes and then she leaves it for me to put up, which is okay. But yeah, I have a lot to do today. Well, I don't have to mess with the raisins today because look, they're all put up, so I don't have to mess with those. So by the way, if you don't know, we do have some bundles up on the website right now. We made some new ones. These bundles are already prepped, ready to go. Sorry about the lighting. Oh my goodness. The bundles have like a ribbon and raisin planner mix. Yeah, let's do that. But yeah, so go check them out. And then what else do I need to do today? Clear out my desk. She has these. I need to put these up. These are the new ones. Oh, look at this. Focus, focus. There we go. This one. Oh, and go check out the bows. We have a bunch of bows. I think the red one sold out. Red, white is sold out. Those sold out really fast. And black. That one's, I think I know where that one's at. And faux leather sheets. We have so many faux leather sheets, girls. Oh, there it is. I see it. So these are the faux leather sheets on this side. So this one goes, where did I say? Oh, there. It goes right here. And then we do have some rhinestones I put up earlier. You can use these for your nails, for your hair bows. Oh, here's 20. 20's back in stock. Look at that one. But yeah, look at this. Haley did all this today. She organized the scrunchies up there. She sold out on a bunch of numbers. 21, 20 is sold out, and 14. So hopefully she can make some more. And we also have fabric. Let me show you. Here's a few designs that you can make with the fabric we have. That one sold out up there. But we have the cow and unicorn. Here's a headband that I made for Haley with the faux leather sheets. But yeah, so I'm going to go put all this up and then we'll be right back and I'll show you how it looks all cleared out. Ta-da! And it's all gone. All the ribbon is put up. So now I am going to be putting up the silicone molds. As you girls know, we do have silicone molds available on the website. I don't know if most of these will be restocked. Haley and I have been thinking about not restocking most of these, so go check them out. Use code silicone molds at checkout, save some cash. But yeah, I gotta put those up and box that ring light so it can go bye-bye and we can order our new one. Okay girls, so that was it. It was just a little mini blog. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on the website or leave us a comment down below. If you're interested in a specific item, we are taking pre-orders for fabric and faux leather sheets for now. But yeah, go check us out. We have a huge selection on raisin planners and ribbon. Till next time, thank you for watching.